Hey everybody, Joshua here with Raising Up Richards, and I have got a couple special people here in this video. We got Project, Rachel, and Isaiah. And what are y'all doing with all them cups?
We're filling up with dirt, and we're going to start some of our flowers going. We have bulbs for tulips. And it's not, our weather's going to be kind of bad right now, so it's not quite time to plant them. And we're going to plant them in the ground after the storm passes.
Oh, tulips. That reminds me of an acronym of another video about Reformed theology, which you gotta watch that one. But anyway, back to gardening. So what all do you have to do here to get these tulips ready?
Dump some of the dirt out because it's a little too much at the top. Don't dump it all, just a little bit off.
Hey, what's your role in this thing? Are you sorting? Are you sorting? Can you say hi?
Hey.
Okay, well that's good. Well, while he's filling this up, we're gonna just pan over here real quick and say hi to Lydia. Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah, there we go. I always wanted her to say hi in here. Okay, going back here to the, all right, tulips. Here we go. I'm gonna get this garden underway. This is exciting. So how many, let's see, you got how many cups? How many tulips will this make? Like, are we talking like 20, 100, or?
I think around 25. I actually haven't counted them.
Okay.
But I think they were around 25.
What are some advantages of growing tulips?
This is a specific variety of tulip that the bees love, and we someday hope to have honeybees.
Oh, like an apiary?
Yes. So we
Cool.
are, one of the most important things preparing for bees are making sure they have an alternative if they run out of places to get their nectar from, just to have kind of just plan B for them.
Right. Cool. Any advice that you would give new people about planting tulips?
I don't, because this is my first time.
First time. Well, there's a first time for everything. Isaiah, anything you'd like to tell our viewing audience before I go?
No.
No. All right. Well, I guess that's all. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video today, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and thank you for watching. God bless you all.